Is SMH a long?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Yeah, just fundamentally or structurally, you don't like the semiconductor industry at this point?
We had a Goldilocks period for the last, I don't know, 7 years or so in semis. Goldilocks. And while the last year has had some volatility with like a peak a year ago and a trough in like December, January, and a bounce, if you give the dynamic that's confusing everybody is the bad stuff over and should we go long? I don't know if the bad stuff's over, right? Like you're going to dance around data points if you're going to look at bookings, and you're going to be looking at early movers and late movers in the cycle if you're going to play that game. So in the short term, yeah, you could play some kind of like 3-week long or something like that.
Yep.
But if you look out over the next 5 years, the cycle we have ahead of us in the next 5 years is nothing like the cycle we've had in the last 5 years. And thinking about that is so much more important, and coming up with your own ideas on that will make you so much more money than figuring out like, oh, is the pain over or is there more pain right ahead? Like, that's not how I'd be thinking about this at all.
Okay. Just a quick follow-up on semiconductors. And again, I don't know how closely you've looked at this, but what do you make of the divergence in guidance between Intel and Microchip?
I said a second ago, like there companies go through the cycle at different cadences.
Yep.
Some are late and some are early.
Gotcha.
And Microchip, I would say, is right there in the middle of the pack, and it looks like Intel's kind of on the later side.